Hey family, this is Nettie, the Symphony Journey. I'm just coming out here to check on the burning pile. Let me see what time it is. Hold on a second. 4:39 in the evening. And so this has been burning since about 10. Well, my brother started he started about 8 o'clock in the morning. He was out at 7:30, so about 8, it was happening. It was down. It was going down, y'all. It was going down. And I pulled some of the brushes from over here and put them on the pile myself a little while ago. Yeah, I had a little stack there, and I knocked them. I pulled them down. I'm sorry. I pulled them some of these stacks. And here I got the dip there. The little stack that was right here. So I pulled some of those and put them right here at the top. And yeah. So yeah, there was a little stack. I moved them out the way. There they are. They sitting here. Like it looks like it's going down. And you guys see this is a pretty big pile of I am wearing my snake boots still. I'm wearing my boots. So these trees here, branches, I put those branches on there early. And I call myself, keeping up some of the dirt right here with my hoe. Making a little line there. So now look how long this thing is. This is long. See at the end of here? This is a very, very long pile of trees. And honestly speaking, I would have loved to have been able to take those trees and sell them. We really would have, because I don't know the people and stuff, who does what. After stuff come down, then we find out, oh yeah, there's people that take small hauls of trees and do things with them. Now this big girl here, I don't know if she have to come down or not. And y'all see the light pole, electric pole right there? Well, some of these here to the right of that has to come down. And we're gonna probably clear off quite a bit right here as well. My little brother said he's gonna come back. He's gonna knock some more trees down. Gonna kind of thin this thing out for me. And so he's going to do some. And I also talked to the guy today that is going to come in. He's going to dig a ditch. Well, this still stopped burning. Stop burning. Well, and y'all, you see this here? This here, I would love to be able to take this here and cut them down into seating size seats. I can make little seating area out there somewhere. Sit down under the tree. I would like to take that and make a tree bench where you sit down, as well as the little seating thing. But it requires, several of them. But well, this is called making progress. I didn't pay attention to that. How do you act like But anyway, just kind of showing you all what's going on. And the guy's going to come in with the tractor. He's going to put everything together. He's going to go dig a big old hole. And I'm going to drop this stuff in a hole. And let nature take its course. Yeah. Let nature take its course. Yep. Don't really like wasting trees. Really, really don't. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta get my land cleared up and get my stuff together. And I can get my electric hooked up and stuff like that. Yeah, I had to re-gas the generator. Had to put some more gas in. I had to fill the tank all the way up. It did go out and to fill that baby up. And so, yep. Look how beautiful. I'm gonna make some little pathways in there and have my little spot. This side here is gonna be my little front patio area or front cooling area. You know, and I tell you, with that little cabin I have installation, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all something when I go back in there. What I had to do to kind of block off some of the air from just blowing into the heat. So I'm gonna show you guys what I had to do. Your family, this is my beautiful haven, serenity. Yes. Some pretty looking little grass, whatever it is, pretty little fall colors. So we're going to take some more off the front end, and we're going to thin it out. We're going to do that. And yep, the smoke is a little thickish, and I think those other trees are going to come down too. No. But anyway. Yeah, I'm walking back to the cabin now. And my trees in the back, they're going to stay right there. We're not messing with those. Those two, they get to stay. And this is what I cut this morning, family. I just did this side a little bit. And my brother came. One of my brothers was helping me. He did a little bit. He didn't go far. He just, knocked the edge of the side a little bit from the back. Sorry about the generator noise. But that's too late. It's still there now. And maybe later on, I was thinking going to Lowe's in Alexandria and take this my weed eater back, because it's busted. It ain't working. The cord is totally completely out of it. So yeah, I was just checking in on the fire. Burning down pretty good. Let me see. Hold on. This thing, it ain't doing no kind of sun. Let me point it this way. Make sure these things ain't even pointed. But it can just sound the reflectors, the solar thing. I'm gonna have to go and get some gas. One of my brothers. Whew. Hi, family. What this thing is doing? I don't know what happened. Okay, y'all, check this out. My friend Liz gave me an idea. Maybe you can find something to go from one side to the other side of the building to block it off so all the air won't escape to the back and just stay up to the front. Well, it's working. It's actually working. So, yeah. Let me get out these boots. Oh, let me close a little bit. One of my nephews came back today. I haven't seen him in a few months. Oh, jeez. I thought he took me to school. So, yeah. Y'all know the thing right there in that red package with them blades, 2, 4, 6 blades on it. We're going to try and see how that works. Look at this boot. I know, family, I'm not the best recorder at all. No, I'm not. Don't claim to be. Oh, now this feels much better that I have this little, I have my torque. This torque is for the generator. So I put that across the back so it kind of keep some of the air here in the front. And it's working pretty decent. So, I just have, family, I'm not going to keep you much longer. This is Nettie Simply Attorney. I just wanted you all to see, see the fire, what's going on with the fire and all that good stuff. So, I am going to say thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like and subscribe button and share if you like my content. Please make comments. This is a friendly, loving, caring platform, and we always want to keep it positive and upbeat to everyone. Okay? Love you guys. Thank you for watching. And you all, it's about your journey. Be blessed. Bye.